नवयुग शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळ चापोली, संजीवनी महाविद्यालय चापोली, ॲफिलेटेड बाय स्वामी रामनाथ तीर्थ मराठवाडा युनिव्हर्सिटी नांदेड. गुड मॉर्निंग all the student of class BSc TY, subject zoology, paper number 13A, name of the paper pisciculture, semester 5th, unit number 2. Today's topic is the exotic fishes, presented by myself Dr. Thorat Mandakini Manohar, Assistant Professor and HOD of Zoology Department. Thus, in the last period, we see the cultivable fishes are generally three types. Indigenous, or it is also called native freshwater fishes, or it is also called which fishes they are found in the India, like the Lebiorota, Katla Katla, Sirena, Meghala. They also we studied in the last period. Second type is the few saltwater fishes assimilated to fresh water like channa, channas and mullet. And third cultivable fish is called exotic fishes imported from outside the country. Like example, grass carp, silver carp, common carp, Chinese carp, Crucian carp, etc. Shortly, that is exotic fishes means those species of fishes they are not found in India. Their origination is not the India, but we are imported from the other countries for the various purposes. For very simple example, like the aquarium fishes, we know aquarium. Aquarium, that is the decorative glass slide made framework. They are used house, restaurant, hotel, etc. for the decorative purpose. That these fishes, their origination is not the India. They are imported from the other countries, and these type of the exotic fishes like the grass carp, silver carp, common carp, Chinese carp, they are imported from the other countries. These called exotic species. So generally, shortly we see what is the qualities of major carp. The generally name of the fish species can be said and ideal for the cultural purpose, as it may not possesses all the aforesaid desirable quality. However, these major carps are economically the most important fish for the culture, like the indigenous carp. Also the exotic species we are cultured. These major carps we are culture because they are used natural food materials which are found in the pond, like the phytoplankton, zooplankton, decaying weeds, debris and other aquatic plants they are used. These major carps are so having the capacity for the resistance power is large. They live in a high temperature and also the turbid water. That is also we are used these cultivable fishes. Also their tolerance capacity is high, that is oxygen tolerant, certain oxygen variation in the water they are also tolerate this, because we know oxygen level is also the changes in the water. Also their growth rate is fast and they may attain the reasonably large size in the short period. That is these cultivable fishes, their growth rate is fast and within the very short period they having the capacity to form the larger size of fishes. That is also they breed profusely. Their fecundity or the reproductive capacity is also the high. Their flesh is palatable and much nutritive. They can be handled and netted out easily. Also, they can be transported easily from one place to another places. This also, that is these cultivable species in the important. The generally today we detail study about the major carp, or it is also called exotics major carp. That is the first example is the Hypophthalmicus mollitrix. Cuvier, that is also with the help of the figure. We see this Hypophthalmicus mollitrix. Their common name is the silver carp because their body, outer covering body or the skin is like from the silver color. That is also they commonly known as silver carp. Distribution. In which condition, in which area they are found? That is they are found in the south and central China, transplanted to the Japan, Formosa, Thailand and Malaya into the Sri Lanka. It was introduced in the India first time in 1959. Means that is these are the exotic species. Their origination is not the India. They are imported from the other countries. That is introduced in the India first time in 1959. The silver carp is a native of China. It is widely cultivated in the Southeast Asian countries. Generally, there are so characteristics externally and internally. We easily differentiated these fishes. Their body is oblong and slightly compressed. Head is pointed. Snout is bluntly rounded. Lower jaw is slightly protruding. Eyes are small, having the diameter 6 times in length of the head. Scales are very small. Lateral line scales is 108 to 120. Abdominal keel from anus to thorax. Origin of dorsal fin behind the ventrals. Maximum length is about 600 mm. It is a freshwater river fish. It is able to live in slightly brackish water. It is suitable for cultivation in the confined water, but it does not breed in the ponds. They are collected from river and reared in the nursery. Fry are collected from the rivers and reared in the nursery. It can be shipped over the great distance. Breeding takes place from April to June. So generally their breeding period is the April to June. These fishes, they are used as a food material like the unicellular algae. Fry and adult, they are used by the flagellates, dinoflagellate, blue-green algae, protozoans and rotifers. Supplemented by decayed macrovegetation and detritus. When kept in the pond, it feeds well on the artificial diet, such as bean meal, rice bran and flour. It is highly valued pond fish. During the first year, their growth is not very fast. However, in the second year, their growth length is 300 mm. Weight is about 900 gram. The length attained the third year become 450 mm and the weight about 1.8 kg. Their annual production of the manured pond is up to 1000 kg per hectare. The length after third year becomes 450 mm and weight about 1.8 kg. Their annual production of this manured pond is up to 1000 kg per hectare. It is often reared in association with the other species. That is, this is exotic species is important because we see that is their growth is very fast, and within their weight is also increases, and also within the very short period their annual production is up to 1000 kilogram per hectare. And also that is these fishes, they are associated, they are combination to the other species easily, means that is also they are used very easily cultured. Also figure we see hypothalamus polytrix. First A figure indicate hypothalamic molletras. Second B figure indicate Steniopharagedon idylus. Second fish is the Steniopharagedon idylus. The generally common name of this fish is the grass carp, soyo in the Japan, Van Yu in the China, and Kam in the Vietnam. So that is also the different names, common name for these fishes. Distribution. They are found in the south, central and north China, and cultivated in the Formosa, Thailand, Malaysia and Japan, and also transplanted into the Sri Lanka from the Malaya. It has been introduced in the India around the 1970. That these fishes first time imported or introduced in the India in 1970. Their characteristics. Generally, this fish, the grass carp, has a fast growth rate. Its body is elongated and moderately compressed. The head is broad, having the short, round snout. The upper jaw is slightly longer than the lower. The barbels are absent. Double rows of compressed comb-like teeth in the throat are present. The dorsal fin is short and originate slightly in advance or opposite to that of ventral. The scales are of moderate size. The scales on the lateral line are 42. The body color is a dark gray on the back, on the above side, and silvery on the belly region. It attains the maximum length near about 1200 millimeter. Grass carp is a freshwater river fish suitable for the cultivation in freshwater as well as slightly brackish water pond. It does not breed in the confined water. In China, its spawning period is from May to June. The eggs are usually deposited in the middle of the river in the rapid current. They usually hatch in 30 to 40 hours at a room temperature. Range of 24 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. The larvae acquire adult shape in the 15 to 20 days after the hatching. The young fry chiefly feeds upon phytoplankton, zooplanktons. When about 2.5 cm in size, they begin to feed on aquatic vegetation such as the Spirogyra and Limna. At the same size, artificial diet also like the rice bran, bean meal and dried cow dung is also utilized. The adult grass carp has a specific choice of vegetable diet as it feeds on leaves of trees, weeds and all the varieties of aquatic plants. The bran, oil cakes, silkworm pupae, kitchen refuse, night soil and dung are often given as a supplementary food. That is also These fish, they are used the natural food, also the supply the supplementary or the artificial food material. At the end of first year, they attain the length is about 120 to 300 millimeter and weight is about 225 to 500 kilogram. A length of about 600 millimeter and weight about 1.8 to 2.3 kilogram at the end of second year. After the 4 years, the weight may be more than 4.5 kilogram in the young stage and West River system. This fish becomes 2 to 13 kilogram in the weight. Fishes of some more than 20 kilogram have also been caught. These may be reared alone in the ponds. Males become mature in the 2 years, whereas the female is later. Female fish weighing about 3 to 4 kilogram have been found to possess 1,80,000 to 4,92,750 eggs. That is also their reproductive capacity is high, growth rate is also high. Third example is the exotic species is the Cyprinus scarpio. Cyprinus scarpio, also we see the figure, that is third number, Cyprinus scarpio. It is common name, it is called common carp or the European carp or the German carp, koi in the Japan, liu in the China. That is also their common name is a differentiated. They are found in which area? That is also called distribution. They are found in the China, Japan, Vietnam, Thailand, Ceylon, India, Malaya, Indonesia. That is also presently cultivated in all the parts of the world they are found. Generally, their characteristics, Cyprinus scarpio, popularly known as common carp. They are first time introduced in the India from Sri Lanka in the 1819. It is a major carp. Their attaining length of about 3 feet. It is essentially cold water fish, but being hardy. It easily adapts itself to the warm water of the tropics. It is worldwide and most extensively cultivated species in the India. Cyprinus scarpio was first stocked in the Nilgiri hills to other states also. The body is oblong and moderately compressed. The mouth is protractile and smooth simple lips. 3 rows of teeth are present in the throat. The barbels are 2 pairs, but 1 pair sometimes rudimentary. Very small. Rudimentary means very small. The dorsal fin is long with the last simple ray. Ossified and the serrated behind. The dorsal fin originated opposite to the ventral fin. The body color development of fins, scales and size of the body are subject of the great variation. Common carp can be cultivated under the tropical condition up to an altitude of 1000 meter above the sea level, but growth is retarded below the 150 meters and above the 600 meters. The optimal, also the temperature, they are range 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Also under the favorable condition, the growth rate is 25 to 50 millimeter per month. They also attain the weight 1 kilogram of the end of first year, near about 2 kilogram at the end of second year, but low stocking rate makes the higher weight possible. This also in the average weight at the end of the first, second and third year is 50 to 100 gram, 500 to 1500 gram and 1000 to 3000 gram respectively. In India, three varieties of common carbs they are available. That is Cyprinus carpio, Cyprinus carpio. That is first is the specularis, that is also commonly called as mirror carp, with the large shiny yellowish scale over the body. Second is Cyprinus carpio, their variety communicus, that is they commonly called as scale carp, with the rather small scale. They are completely covering the body. There are two strain, also the German strain and the Bangkok strain. Cyprinus carpio variety third is the nudus, commonly called as leather carp, with the scale almost completely absent on the body, which give the appearance of leathery skin. It is uncommon. This larva of fish is the omnivorous feeder with the variety of items they are used. They are used by vegetable, debris, insect, breeds. They also having the capacity for the breeding throughout the year. Peak period generally January to April. Unlike the indigenous major carp, Cyprinus carpio breeds in confined area of the ponds. The eggs are found attached to the leaves of submerged plant. In the upland water, Cyprinus carpio, they are also attain the sexual maturity at the end of first year and grow the 40 to 50 centimeter in length and 2 to 3 pounds in the weight. Also, in the fecundity rate of Cyprinus carpio is also the reported as 39,400 to 16 lakh 59,000 eggs. It is difficult to compare the fecundity of common carp on the different region. It is also their breeding 4 to 5 times a year in the tropical country and only once a year in the temperate country. These are also the different indigenous and exotic carps which are commonly cultivated in the India. Cold water fishes, air breathing and carnivorous fishes. So thus in the today we learn about exotic fishes. Yes, goodbye the student. Next topic we see the next period.